children, this is your political science class. Before that, you have already taught by Mr. J.P. Singh. Now, I am Mrs. Preeti Chatterjee. I will teach you lesson 2, the constitutional design. Now, this is the video on social study part political science class 9th CBSE board. Lesson 2, the constitutional design. Before this making of Constitution of India, we have to take a short look on South Africa, because both the countries struggle for freedom under the British rules. At that time, South Africa having 3 types of population. First, there is the white population. That means the European who were settled in South Africa. Second, the black, original South African. And the third is colored, who are not from Europe and not from the native South Africa, but they are mixed in color. 25% of the population in between white and the color, whereas the 75 populations are black. The South African country having a large quantity of the gold and diamond mine. So many European public come and settle down over the South Africa with arm. They rule over the country. Who rule over the country? The white public, who are only 10 to 15. They rule over the country, over the 75% of the black origin. They rule in the system of apartheid. They rule over the system of apartheid. This apartheid system was racial discrimination between white and black. वाइट और ब्लैक में एक बहुत बड़ा गैप क्रिएट करता था ये एपार्थाइड सिस्टम. Whatever it is, the country is black. The person of the country is black, but they have no rights at all. They not allowed to live together with white. They do not use the hotel, cinema hall, marketplace, train and buses with the public transportation. They also not worship in the same church where the white worship. They are not allowed to form association. Even though they live in their own country, they have the highest population of 75% population. But the apartheid system never allowed them to make their own party or to make their own rule or system. Just like the Britishers of India, before Independence Day, they do with us in so many times. In the same way, when they are gathered together and try to protest against this apartheid system. So all is clear? What is the apartheid system? The apartheid system is the system which divide and rule policy. In India, Britishers divide Indian into Hindu and Muslim. But in South Africa, the Britishers divide the public into black and white. But how much time they will suffer? They protest against this system. And who were along with them? Along with them, the Indian also there, who are known as colored. Indian with also them. Trade union, that means the worker party also with them. A small group of white, who are European, but they have the sympathy with the black. So they also protest against this apartheid system. Somehow the Communist Party, Russian Communist Party, also agree with this process. They all are come together under the South African African National Congress. They together form a big party that is name is African National Congress. Who was the leader of this? Nelson Mandela was the leader of this party. So you are clear? Okay, why the African National Congress protest against the Britishers? Britishers favor to move into the hotel with the dog, but they do not allow the black or Indian, African, just like in India. So they protest against the Nelson Mandela. At last, they got freedom after a long struggle. They got freedom from the Britishers. This is a very small topic, and you write the topic through flowchart. I think you understand. And so draw the flowchart.